Hey, I'm back out at the private property, and I just found looks like a flashlight lens cover, but it's hard to tell. It's so beat up. It's copper or brass one. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a cellar hole right there, and the house was over in there. I'm gonna look for it again today. Hey, I was metal detecting. I didn't move very far. I found this piece of glass. That's a little bit thicker glass there. What is that? Is that the bottom or the top? Must be. Alright. Well, that's expected, because I can see on the 1960 aerial view he had all this land plowed. There's very few trees out here except for a few right where the house was. It's another spring, and the water comes out of the ground right over there. But it must have come out of the ground here when back in the 50s when he was here. 30. Well, I can see it on the 35 map, but I don't know when he started living here. There's another little one there. But if his house is right up there, then he had to have walked down here to get his water. I'm hoping he dropped money out of his pockets on a trail up through there somewhere. I just got to find the trail. That tree's got to be at least 10 years old. It's massive. Look at the root on it. It's way down through there. But this one has got to be at least 100 years old. Look how thick that is compared to my hand. This one knocked that one down. How sad. I looked around it for bottles. I didn't see anything. I did see 2 fence posts though. Okay, I'm getting a better video of this tailgate, because we don't think it says Henry, we think it says something else. I see something right here. It looks like a curvy. Let's see. You can see that's a Y, that's a R, that's a E, that's an N. I'm not sure what that is. And there's something there over the Ford. If you can see the Ford there in V8, 8V. But that definitely says farm. Well, I was looking for coins in the bottle dump, or marbles. Found a bottle said 48 on it, bottom of it. So it's not that old, but hopefully we'll find something worth keeping. Okay, I'm right beside the tailgate. Just found a bottle. It's complete. Cool. Wonder if that paint will hold up. Just plain old white. Little rock. I'll try my best. Set it over here. Alright. Little update. Found a little creamer. Seems to be pretty good. Another corktop federal law, another ink. May have a little bit of color to it there. This says MFH from Little Rock. Found 2 of them. And this Crown Top beer, machine made. Not much. Well, there just wasn't much here. I just thought I would finish it. Still got the shoe polish handle inside it. This bottle was a little different. Alright, we'll take a couple of those home. I just turned the camera off and I just saw this cone top beer or soda. Okay, I got the coordinates to the house, and you can see the cedar trees here, there, another big one right there. So I'm at the back steps here, and the front of the house was over in there somewhere, past that metal deal. That's not a walking liberty or standing. It's something round. I'm gonna do this really good right in here. I've got some lead, no coins yet. So this is where all the daffodils are at, right here. The cellar's right there. The home side, well, it's right there by that cedar. So she may have had a garden of some kind up this way. I mean, there's literally hundreds of targets out there. The detector just goes crazy. I guess I'll be back.